Hey, it's Bobby from Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical Company here locally owned in Grimes. And we love giving back to our local community. And so today we're announcing our 300K Gold Club giveaway. Now, what is that? Well, our goal is over the next 3 months to give $300,000 back to our local community organizations like yourself. So how we're going to do that is generate those funds through our $99 Gold Club membership. Now, we always have this, and many of you may already be enrolled, but what we're doing is, as Gold Club members, then you, of course, get all your plumbing, HVAC, electrical, annual inspections, and maintenance, but we also, you go to the front of the line, we always come out for free, and you get 10% off of any repairs. So, for any new members that would like to enroll and that also help support your organization, then 100% of that $99 is going to go back to you, up to $300,000, and of course our goal in the next 3 months. So you can claim as much of that as possible. We'd love to help you get set up with marketing materials that we have to help promote this and help raise a bunch of money for our local community. So give us a call, hop on the website, get a message to us, and we will reach out to you to help get this set up.